You say, look, this is my speech. Hi, Avesta. Hi, everyone. I'm talking about, my speech is about Cinderella today. Okay, and you start. You start from over there, stay there. Good girl.
No, you stand next to me.
Yeah.
Don't have the camera.
No, I'm not.
No,
Quick.
the teacher just whispers in what comes next if we don't know.
Okay, that's fine. That's okay. All right, you can go. Start. 1, 2, 3, set.
Wrong way. We could just do that.
Quick. Doesn't matter. Just leave that.
I need help.
Once.
I want a chair.
Okay.
Once upon a time.
Nicely.
Once upon a time, there lived a
Beautiful Cinderella.
beautiful princess called Cinderella. After this one,
She.
she lived with her stepmom
Voice up.
and two ugly stepsisters.
They.
They made her work hard all day.
Good. One day,
One day,
the king's son.
the king invited everyone to the ball, except Cinderella couldn't go.
That's right.
Mom, can I help?
Tell Daddy.
Dad, this is not working. Look. Cinderella sat down the fire crying.
In.
Here,
Yes, come on.
in,
Do not touch this like that.
there's not any bubbles.
Yes.
In a flashing light,
Good girl.
a fairy godmother came.
Good girl. Appeared.
Appeared.
Here.
Here,
She.
she waved her wand and turned the pumpkin into a gold,
A golden coach.
a golden coat,
A rat into.
a rat into a coachmaster, a rat into a pony,
Her ragged dress. Her ragged dress into beautiful Cinderella dress.
a rat dressed in her beautiful Cinderella dress,
And
and
a glass slippery shoes.
a glass
Slipper shoes.
slipper shoes for Cinderella.
She.
She arrived at the ball,
Looking beautiful.
looking beautiful.
And.
The prince only danced with Cinderella.
Yes.
The prince went looking for Cinderella
To give her this glass slipper shoes that left at the party that fitted her only.
here. Glass slipper only fit for Cinderella.
And he asked her to be his bride.
And he asked him to be his bride.
Good girl. Beautiful, Avesta. Awesome.